Right, I'm Sean, that's Katie, I'm Sean. Katie, what happened in the last episode of Chainsaw Man?
Right. What did happen in the last episode of Chainsaw Man? It was the aftermath of the ambush, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to think, because it all kind of meshes into one for me.
Power's okay, she ran off.
Yeah.
Aki's in hospital.
Yeah.
That Division 1 guy said he was going to train Power and Denji up.
He kind of, he was like,
He was just killing
finally
them.
people that won't break.
And he was just killing them over and over again.
I like him though, he's quite cool.
Yeah, he is. Then Aki was taken to meet the future devil.
Future devil. That's insane. Imagine
That's
like
quite
how...
queer, isn't it? It's quite an awesome devil to be, but I suppose we'll find out if... But then what were the sacrifices that people had to make? Previous people who'd had the contract?
It's like half of the life taken
half of the
off.
lifespan taken, and they took their...
Someone got like the tastes, the sight, pretty much everything taken away from them. That
They got three of their senses got taken away. It was taste, sight, smell.
Yeah.
They still had hearing and touch.
Well, yeah, but still depressing though, isn't it? You kind of... What would be the point of eating it? You would just do it for sustenance, you wouldn't do it for pleasure.
Okay. So yeah, this is episode 11. We've only got 2 episodes left. Penultimate episode.
But Aki's only got 2 years left because of using the sword. So if half his life would be a year, that'd be depressing, wouldn't it? Can't be doing that.
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。いるのは未来の悪魔。公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。
There are 2 people.
もう1人は両目と味覚。
It was just an eye, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's not very reassuring. If that was me, I'd be like, is there not another devil that I can be BFFs with that won't take everything from me?
The devils aren't the nicest people in the world.
I know, but you never know.
Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho!
Well, that's ugly, isn't it?
Not what I was expecting.
Were you just expecting a floating eyeball?
Nah, I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest. But it wasn't that. I was expecting just like a giant pocket watch or something. Or a giant grandfather clock.
What Cogsworth just comes toddling along.
Can't imagine that. I don't know how many people got that Beauty and the Beast reference. I've seen a lot of people dressing up as her lately.
Yeah.
Feels like they're all gearing up to fight the gun devil. Denji and Power both training by getting killed all the time. And Aki's talking to a future devil. Every time.
It's just, why is it there? Why include it?
Because they're best friends who hate each other.
Psycho! Mirai Psycho! お前も未来最高と叫びなさい。
俺はお前と契約をしに来た。
早くお腹に頭を突っ込め。じゃなきゃ未来が見えないだろ。
Oh.
It probably smells and
Yeah. Probably smells like the inside of a truck driver's shoe.
I can't say that.
I don't know what it smells like, but I imagine it smells bad.
それだけでいいのかって顔だな。なぜならお前は未来で最悪な死に方をする。
Oh.
どういう死に方をするか聞きたいか？お前は
言わなくてもいい。さっさと目に入れ。
That's cool and terrifying at the same time. So he's not taking anything from him, he just wants to be there when he dies.
Well, it's taking his right eye, I assume.
So he's making his right eye.
今のは100点の動きだったぞ。姫野たちを殺した侍ソードとヘビ女を俺たち全員で捕まえに行く。
Ooh.
Is that it?
4課のお披露目式だ。
Do you mean is that it?
作戦で失敗したら4課は終
No,
わ
I mean like I was being sarcastic.
Oh.
He just said it as if
り。
it's
その
nothing.
上お前たちは処分されて俺とマジバトルだ。
そうすりゃマキマさんとランデブーや。
Does not look impressed.
He's just like, I ain't got time for this boy.
お疲れ様でした。それで話っていうのは何ですか？
今回の得意か襲撃、公安もバカじゃないだろう。お前分かっていて見逃した。
私も襲撃に遭いましたよ。
お前がどんな非道を尽くそうと俺の飼い犬を殺そうと。
今回の作戦が成功すれば4課の存在を積極的に報道することになってます。そうすれば
The music got
4課は
very
前より
tense.
動きやすくなってより悪魔から人を救える。
That's a sword devil, isn't it?
組長は別荘に移動してもらっています。我がも
マキマが生きてる限り日本には逃げれる場所はない。
And she would
こ
be
こ
the
で
snake
迎え撃
devil.
つ準備はしてある。静かにしてろ。
The boss.
我が
死んでも蘇るからな。それより
They're talking about the gun devil.
噛まれないように用心しな。
噛まれないように。何のことですか？ここの下には秘密兵器がいる。
Zombies.
じいちゃんの置き土産。
それで4課を終わらせる。
Is his granddad the one that Denji was working for?
俺たちは東京観光して京都帰
Yeah,
り
we
ます。
figured that out.
Huh?
We
も
figured
う
that
会う
out.
こともないやろうし。一つ
You figured that
質問
out.
させてください。
Did I?
Yeah.
アキ君は銃の悪魔狙っとるって聞きました。
今自分が自分を見えなくなってるのは分かってます。でも
Sorry.
じゃなきゃやっていけないのも分かってるんです。
I'm a popular guy, like me. I have voicemail.
得意課にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
Does that not include himself?
Yeah. He's very formal and polite, Aki, isn't he?
Good for him.
Except when he's in the
公安のお客さんだ。
company
ご協力ありがとうございます。
of Denji and
東
Power.
京でうちの若い奴らが買って銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾がもらえるんだという。
I wonder if he can just spawn them.
世界の金が必要なんかな。人類諸君と変わらないね。
Well,
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます。
ジョーちゃん、必要悪って言葉知ってるかい？
He keeps on saying
俺た
necessary
ち
evil,
身
don't
内
they?
同士で潰し合ってみな。したらその間に外
Look
国
at
の
that
ゲーム日本に入ってきちゃうんだ。確かに俺たちも悪さはしてるけどね。デビルハンターが悪魔から人間を守っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守ってるんだよ。
I was just going to do one of those
デ
things
ビ
where
ル
she
ハンターは
claps
学
and
の
they'll
ない
just.
バカが多いっつうからわからないのも当然か。
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
目
あなたの言う必要悪というものは
Oh.
悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。
得意4課に任されている。できるだ
She
け
just went
公安
full like
デンジの心臓を奪う。
bad guy mode there.
ヘビを使えば私とお前ぐらいなら逃げれるだろう。
It's time for a boss fight.
帰りてえなら帰りゃいいじゃねえか。
はい
俺は特訓したからよ。
Fam, she literally saved your
ぶっ
life.
殺してやるぜ。
特訓して頭も良くなったからの。帰りたい。
That's like
Can Kobeni be added into the
that's like me, Nicole, and you, isn't it?
作戦はない。
Me laughing. Me yawning like an idiot. Nicole laughing for no reason. And you just like... I don't want to be here.
神奈川県警より来ました警部補の椎名です。タイマニカフルノビス。
得意4課隊長
Kashibi.
ダンビーダンビーゲイハーだ
What?
サメの魔人
Shark.
壁の中へ地面どんな場所でも動くことができる
噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
暴力の魔人
The
本来魔
violence
人にな
fiend.
ると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるがこいつは魔人でも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている
なんだ悪魔か。
So those two were fiends.
雲の悪魔普段は人間の形をしている
Oh, that's gross.
姿に近い悪魔は人に友好的だが悪魔は悪魔だ
I love how she like lifted up her skirt.
靴汚れたこいつ最悪
Ah!
天使の悪魔
The angel devil?
あくまで人に敵意はないが近づくな触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな
Oh, that's awesome.
触れられたら寿命短くなるのに
布越しだったら大丈夫なんだろ
いったった
There's a lot of reveals.
I still can't get over the fact she just went
Yeah, no,
legs.
Legs came out, no. The shark fiend's quite cool though. So is the violence fiend, that's quite cool as well. Quite a cool name.
He's like Denji, isn't he?
What do you mean?
Like, he doesn't seem to be like a regular fiend.
Oh, yeah.
Different, isn't he? Oh,
Oh, this is Mikima's doing, isn't it? She knows their names. That's actually quite a scary power. The fact that she doesn't like need to be anywhere near them.
I thought she had to use people to do it. So did she kill all those people? You doing just so she could do that?
We still don't know what she is.
I know.
I got told we were close. I can't remember what it was that we
That was
guessed.
when we were theorising either she was like, she had a crazy contract with some kind of crazy devil or something. Or she's like a fiend or a devil herself. Ugh.
Oh, is it the fox? Oh. Wasn't that?
Cool.
幽霊あいつを殺せ
Look, he's on a mish!
右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
That's how he avoided the gunshot and everything, because he's...
Let's see what's gonna happen.
Oh, not there. That's cheating. Her mouth looks like it's stitched.
そのまま絞め殺せ
This wasn't the death the future devil saw.
Excuse me? That didn't last very long.
Alright.
Do you like this music?
Yeah. Banging. Oh, well then, going into the last episode. I forgot what I was going to say. Going into the last episode, Denji's fighting the sword devil, Power's with him, Aki's getting choked out, Mikima's probably just killed a bunch of people again. And we still don't know what Mikima's deal is.
I No, do you know what it is, right? The more she does, the more I feel like it's not a contract. There's some kind of repercussion for a contract, isn't there? That's the point. There's an exchange of something. You give something. It seems to be... Aki seems to be the only instance where he's not really asked for something. He's like, you're going to die in a cool way in the future, and I want to be there to see it.
Well, that might be the same with her. It might just be that the devil took a liking to her and decided not to take it.
I know, but
from her.
that's such an insanely overpowered thing that she's got, though. Like, what devil...
Well, there might be
would
something...
have that much power?
It might be something like she's feeding him. The people that she sacrifices are... She's like feeding the devil, and that's their contract. In order to actually use the power that she's using, she has to feed the devil these sacrifices.
Just seems insane. It's the fact that, like, everyone seems obsessed with her. She was sat in that room and all of them were looking at her.
Yeah.
I know, fair enough, caution, but they were kind of all just like staring at her.
Yeah. I've said that from...
Yeah. The more you go on, though, because you make yourself aware of it, the more you realise everyone is kind of in a way obsessed with her.
Something like the Desire Devil.
Desire Devil.
Something like that. That was us reacting to episode 11 of Chainsaw Man. 1 minute. My word.
Vile human,
That's gonna
man.
stink as well.
Stop
That's proper. That's proper noodle breath. Noodle and Pepsi. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, ding the bell, know if when we upload. We upload almost every day. Anything else you want to tell me? Anything else you want to say?
Final prediction, what do you think is Mikima's deal? Doesn't have to be specific.
I don't know. I have no idea.
I'm leaning more towards she's a devil. Because fiends have something like physical, don't they? Like, Power has the horns.
Yeah, but fiends inhabit dead bodies.
Yeah, but because of that, they have some kind of...
Yeah, deformity.
Yeah, that makes it known that they're a fiend. Right, which is my point. Whereas she doesn't. So it makes me think either she's... If she just had a contract, it wouldn't make her eyes weird.
But then again, the devils also have...
I mean, the devils don't all look that attractive, but you don't know. She could just be like a human-looking devil. A shape-shifting devil.
I know, but you said about how the fiends all look a certain way, but so do the devils.
Well, they all look to what their like kind of thing is, don't they?
Yeah,
like the bat devil look like a bat.
Yeah, they're all still sort of deformed.
Yeah, but if like you say, she's the Desire Devil, she's not going to look undesirable to people, is she? She's going to look desirable.
I don't know. I've given up trying to predict this world.
That's what I mean. I feel like it's more likely that she's something like that as opposed to just being a regular human with a contract, because that seems too... Because what is it about her? We haven't seen her fight yet. We don't know how good of a fighter she is. What is it about her that made it that she could get a contract that good? You know?
I guess we'll have to wait and see. Last episode. And then we'll have to find another anime to watch. Maybe we go back and watch some of the Star Wars stuff. We still need to watch Star Wars Visions. Because there's a second season of that coming out. We still need to watch Bad Batch. But, yeah, thank you for watching.
I need to